Hello everyone, this is Srinivas from Informatica GCS, and my today's topic is changes to the catalog view in the Metadata Manager service for 10.0. The product is Metadata Manager 10.0. From compared to the previous version in 10.0, Metadata Manager has seen a great change in the way we view the data in the catalog UI. The two views which are provided in the Metadata Manager are the tree view and the list view. And also there has been an option has been provided on the MMUI for a filter on the list view. Also, a new feature has been added where you can store or you can see the history option, where the history option of the various objects which you have visited currently would be stored and saved. So let us log in into the MMUI page and have a look at the catalog UI changes. So as I mentioned earlier, you can see there are two views. One is the list view and the other is a tree view. So let's check on the tree view first. The tree view there has been no changes to the tree view. So prior to 10.0, in the earlier versions, we used to have only one. View, and that is similar to the tree view in the current version. You can see the resources. Click on the resources. So I clicked on Oracle resource. I saw the Oracle schema which has been loaded. I can see the various functions, indexes, procedures, the various types of classes. Click on a particular class, you can see the objects under that particular class. So this view which we are seeing is quite similar to the view which we had before the 10.0 in the earlier versions. So now let's come back to the list view. So in list view, we can see all the objects are placed under a list. So compared to the tree view, where you could have seen there was a tree. So in the list view, you see a list. So clicking on an object on the list tree view and clicking on the list view option would take you to the particular list of that particular UI. So now let's check on the list view. Now you can see the various resources. You can click on the Oracle resource. You can see the schema loaded. Click on the schema. You can click on the table. So the same thing which we saw in the tree view, rather than viewing it on the tree view, we see a various list. So one more added option on 10.0, which is the filter which has been provided for the list view. Filtering option is not available for the tree view. So now I can click in the filter option. I can search for any string and click on this filter button. So I can see that particular table and check the filter. And searching for an filter for a string in a filter would provide you the results only in that particular list, not on the child objects in that particular list. The way which I showed you in an example now, although if you go to the tables and search for AUTH, you can see the tables which satisfy the search result being shown. But similarly, if you do a search on AUTH for the schema, it will search only for the schema names with AUTH, but not for the objects under the schema with the name followed with the name AUTH. So this is regarding the filter view. And one more option which has been provided in the 10.0 version is viewing history. So here you can see a complete history on the various objects which we have visited in before visiting this history. And also you can do a search even on the history objects. As you can see, the search string is not case sensitive. So I think by the end of this video you would be now having an information on how to use the catalog view for viewing the objects, and also the recent features which have been added to in 10.0, and also the changes which have been made in 10.0. You can always refer a Metadata Manager Administrator Guide for any more queries. We would love to hear from you. For any feedback on this video, or if you want to provide if you want us to work on any more videos on Metadata Manager or any of the Informatica products, you can anytime write down to us at supportvideos@informatica.com. We have a Twitter handle InfaSupport. You can anytime tweet us with your feedbacks or requirements. Thank you. Have a great day.